Every woman should be aware of these 11 incredible uses for baking soda. When it comes to personal care, many women are cautious about the products they use on their skin, hair, and body. Unfortunately, many commercial products are filled with chemicals that can do more harm than good. Thankfully, there are natural alternatives that can help maintain your health, such as baking soda. This common household item is typically used for baking, odor removal, and cleaning, but it also offers surprising health benefits when used properly. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more daily tips and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Now, let's explore the top health benefits of baking soda that every woman should know about. 1. Managing kidney disease. Dr. Julian Whitaker explains that baking soda, an alkaline substance produced by the body, helps balance pH levels by buffering acids. Those with kidney disease often struggle to remove acid from their bodies. A recent British study revealed that sodium bicarbonate can actually slow kidney decline by nearly 2/3. 2. Alleviating occasional heartburn and indigestion. Over-the-counter medications like Alka-Seltzer, Tums, and Rolaids contain bicarbonate. Dr. Whitaker suggests that natural baking soda may be even more effective in relieving heartburn and indigestion. Simply mix half a teaspoon of baking soda into half a cup of water and drink it an hour after eating. 3. Oral hygiene. While dipping your toothbrush directly into baking soda might seem like a good idea, Dr. Whitaker advises against it, as its abrasive properties could wear down enamel over time. Instead, stick to commercial toothpaste that includes baking soda. 4. Mouthwash. Beyond brushing, baking soda can be used as an effective mouthwash. Healthline reports that it can reach areas in your mouth that brushing might miss. To make a baking soda mouthwash, mix half a teaspoon with half a glass of warm water. 5. Soothing canker sores. A 1973 study at Sunnybrook Hospital's mouth clinic found that baking soda therapy improved the condition of 7 out of 10 patients suffering from chronic ulceration, offering a soothing solution for canker sores. 6. Teeth whitening. Medical Science Monitor explains that baking soda's mild abrasiveness helps break down stains on teeth. It also has antimicrobial properties that fight harmful bacteria, making it an effective teeth whitener. 7. Natural deodorant. According to Dr. John Henderson Lamb from the University of Oklahoma, baking soda can serve as a natural deodorant by neutralizing the acidity in sweat that causes odor. 8. Enhancing exercise performance. During exercise, muscles produce lactic acid, which lowers pH and causes fatigue. A study published in Biomed Central found that participants who consumed sodium bicarbonate before exercising experienced reduced muscle fatigue and could work out longer. 9. Relieving itchy skin and sunburns. WebMD notes that baking soda can soothe the redness and stinging associated with itchy skin and sunburns. You can either make a paste or add it to your bath water for relief. 10. Whitening laundry. Research from the University of Nebraska shows that because baking soda is an alkali, it interacts with stain-causing acids, helping to remove them and brighten your laundry. 11. Removing carpet stains. An article from the U.S. National Library of Medicine explains that combining baking soda with vinegar creates carbonic acid, a common ingredient in cleaning products. This reaction helps lift stains from carpets. In conclusion, baking soda is an incredibly versatile product with many uses beyond the kitchen. However, it's important to consult with a healthcare provider before using it for health purposes, and always be cautious when applying it to your skin, as it can cause irritation. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and subscribe to our channel for more tips like these. Thanks for watching.